Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to start with the new chapter, and the chapter name is The Plateau and Desert Regions. All of you open your textbooks. Open chapter 5, The Plateau and Desert Regions. Before going to start the lesson, we will do the warm up part. Classify the following words under the three headings given in the table. Here they have given some words and we have to classify these words under these headings. Okay. Tallest, tributary, delta, flat top, river origin, cold, hot, taller, sand, flat, short, cool, snow, dry, fertile. So you have to fill three headings in the given table. For example, mountains, we can call that is the taller mountain. That one is the tallest one. In this way you have to do all this. Okay, and I'm expecting the feedback from you through WhatsApp. And in this chapter we are going to learn Southern Plateau, Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau, climate, soil, vegetation, wildlife and minerals of this region, Great Indian Desert. We are going to learn all these topics. First we see Southern Plateau. A plateau is a highland which is higher than the land around it and has a flat table-like top. This is why it is also called a tableland. So, a plateau is a highland. It is a highland which is higher than the land, somewhat higher than the land, and the top of it is so flat. That's why this is called as a tableland. Okay. Location and extent. The region extending from south. In this picture we can see clearly this is north, this one is south, this one is west and this one is east. Remember children, the region extending from south of the northern plains to southern tip of the Indian mainland. So the region extending from south of the northern plains to southern tip of the Indian mainland is a plateau region. Okay, the plateau mainly covers peninsular India and is inverted triangular in shape. So what is peninsular? Covered with three water bodies, we call it as peninsula. So that's why here three water bodies means Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. These three. Okay, so the plateau mainly covers peninsular India and is inverted triangular in shape. That's why this is triangular in shape. Broad in the north and narrowing down as it extends southwards. In north it is so broad, and as it extends southwards it becomes narrow. It is thus called the peninsular plateau. That's why this is known as the peninsular plateau. This region is bounded by hill ranges, Aravalli ranges in the northwest. In the northwest we have Aravalli ranges in the northwest, the Rajmahal hills in the northeast. In the northeast we have Rajmahal hills and the eastern ghats to the east and the western ghats to the west. The plateau has a rocky, here we are, the plateau has a rocky and uneven surfaces. So the plateau is flat, but it has rocky and uneven surfaces on it. The peninsular plateau covers the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra and eastern part of Kerala. So, this peninsular plateau covers the states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra and eastern part of Kerala. The main cities of these regions are Bhopal, Indore, Hyderabad, Mysore and Bangalore. So, these are the main states and the main cities. And the main cities of this region are Bhopal, Indore, Hyderabad, Mysore and Bangalore. The river Narmada divides this plateau into two parts. So, the river Narmada divides this plateau into two parts. The central highlands in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The central in the north we call it as Central Highlands, and second one is the Deccan Plateau in the south. We will continue the remaining part in the next class. Once go through the today's class. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.